Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. If you do not know me, my name is Daniela and welcome to Beauty Wednesdays. We have not done a Beauty Wednesday video in here in a little bit. Today's Beauty Wednesday video is all about POV Beauty by Michaela. I've been having this in my possession for a while now. I just haven't had the chance to try it out. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm so excited. This is supposed to be like a skin prep line, and as you can see, my skin is not being good to me right now, like at all. Just this side. I don't know what it is. Just this side is not being good to me at all. But that's okay. We're going to be trying those products out and seeing if that's really actually what I need to do skin prep before my makeup. If you're ready to try it out with me, come on, let's go. I actually have every single product from POV. I got these in like 2 orders. The first drop that she did, I only got Glaze It and Amp It. And I've used Amp It for quite some time now. So this is an unbiased opinion, but everything else is brand new. Then when she did her second drop, I got the rest of the products, and now I'm ready to put it all together and try it out. We are starting off with the first step, which is Drench It. This is essentially like a milky toner, is what it was shown on TikTok, what I've seen. Ooh, this is the packaging, just very white, very simple. I love me a simple packaging. All right. Oh, comes with a little aluminum stopper. All right, let me see. I think I'm supposed to shake it. Hold on. So that was a user error on my wash. Yeah. All right, let's see now how it's looking. It's very clear. So let's see what it's giving. Okay, no scent. Ooh, but it feels amazing on the skin already. Look at that glow. Ooh, it's very cooling on my skin personally. Ooh, okay. I like that. So that is Drench It on my skin. Next step is Drip It. Drip It is your Nourishing Glow Serum. And I'm excited about this. I do love me a good glowy serum. This is the packaging. Simple, just white. I do love this nozzle. This says to avoid eyes, and yeah. Ooh, okay. I do like to put it on my hand first and then put it on my skin. Ooh, no scent. Once again, I think this is fragrance free. I know all these products are made in Korea, and this is like Korea skincare. I like how it feels on the skin so far. It feels very nourishing, very hydrating. Like if I look up close, I could see like the glow in my skin. Work. Okay, with Drip It, it's a little bit tacky so far already. I like that. And are these travel size friendly, by the way? They are. Tea. All right, this product I'm most excited about, this is Whip It. This is the hydrating whipped cream. And let me tell you, I'm really excited to try this out. Here's the packaging, and then I know you're supposed to like twist this to reveal the applicator. This is not finger girl friendly. Hold the phone. Okay, I really wanted to try it with the applicator, but it's not like coming out for me fully. Okay, I love this. I love keeping these tops, especially for traveling. Ooh, you guys. That is like vanilla frosting whipped cream. No scent. Ooh. Oh, that's cooling. That feels so nice on the skin, actually. Oh, I could see myself using this every day. The cooling effect that this has on my skin right now, I'm actually loving. I only wish I can use this applicator. It's not exactly like acrylic friendly. All right. I'm going to go in with Amp It. Now, I've used Amp It before. I honestly put it back into the box, so I had a thumbnail and I had something to show. But I love Amp It so much. I had to stop using it because I would use it every single day. This baby does an amazing job at hydrating these lips. I love this packaging as well. It's very easy for me to find this in my bag, and as someone that loses her stuff all the time in the bag, that really helps. Finally, we have Glaze It. This is your tacky primer, and I've been waiting to try this out since I purchased it. All right, I have unlocked it. Let's see what you're giving. Okay, that's the consistency. And I'm just gonna put this all over my skin. And that is POV, all over the skin. I feel very moisturized, very intact, and I feel like makeup's gonna go on so beautifully on this skin. I'm gonna be doing my makeup off camera really fast because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm running really close on time right now. So let me do a quick little glam. I'm gonna come back and show you guys and tell you how I feel so far about it. All right, so this is what my makeup looks like after applying these products on my skin. And let me tell you, I love the way my makeup looks. It's laid down so beautifully. And I cannot wait to see if this makeup lasts all day. I am gonna leave my house now, do my thing, and we're gonna come back to do a check-in video after. I am just reapplying Ampit. I just got home from what I needed to do, and I am thoroughly impressed with how my makeup looks, you guys. Like, okay, like I'm seeing it. The skin looks absolutely amazing. Overall, I'm generally impressed with POV. I'm gonna tell you guys like my products from least to most favorite, even though they're all really, really good. Let's see what we're gonna do. So we first tried Drench It. So I really like Drench It. I think I need to shake it a little more to get the full milky consistency. I was very clear, but overall, Drench It, I'm gonna give this a solid 4 out of 5 stars. Drip It. Now this is where honestly, this is the step that I felt the nourishingness. Let me tell you, my skin was so hydrating with this. I do enjoy the droplet applicator of this, and I know it would be really cool to just put it onto your face and just rub it. I'm just the type to put it on my hand. So I am gonna be giving Drip It 4.5 out of 5 stars. Then we have the primer. This primer I feel like really did help the skin out. Now I'm curious to see if this primer could work by itself without all of the POV products first, or do you need the POV products in order to use it? So I'm gonna give Glaze It another 4.5 out of 5 stars. Honestly, these two are tied. Whip It, I was generally impressed with the consistency of Whip It, the cooling sensation on the skin. Like for sure, this is gonna be a must have in my makeup routine. The only thing I am not a fan of is the fact I cannot take the applicator out because of my nails. Like this consistency, I am absolutely in love with it. But for sure, Whip It gets a 5 out of 5 stars for me. Amp It, oh my goodness, I'm gonna need much more of this. I love me a nice, amazing lip balmy product. I love the fact that the doe foot applicator is silicone, and honestly I see myself like doing this, just constantly applying the product. It feels amazing on the lips. It applied my lip product really nicely as well. And this is for sure like an essential everyday product for me. So I'm gonna give Amp It, of course, 5 out of 5 stars. I think by me using it as a skin prepping for my makeup, it really helped. Like I see a difference in my skin. And my husband even told me when he saw me, he said my skin looks smoother. So love that. And yeah, that's it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you've tried POV before, let me know your opinions in the comments down below. But that is pretty much it for me. If you've liked what you saw today and you want more Beauty Wednesday videos or just more videos from me in general, don't forget to press the subscribe button and turn the bell icon so you're notified when I post more videos. And for bonus, you can give this video a thumbs up. That'll be greatly appreciated. If you want more short form content from me, you can head over to TikTok and follow me on there. It is just daniellasmagicallife. And that is pretty much it for me. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And until next time, see you later. Bye.